For today's video, I am going to show you how to add money to your Cash App account. Cash App is a popular payment application that allows you to send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and access other financial features. But before you can use many of these options, you will need to have money available in your Cash App balance. So let's go ahead and get started. First, make sure you already have a bank account or debit card linked to Cash App. Then open Cash App and go to your home screen. In the bottom left corner, you will see the banking icon. Now, depending on your account, this may show your current balance, or it may simply display the banking icon if your balance is empty. Tap on that to continue. Once you're on the banking screen, you will see the option that says Add Cash. Tap on that and Cash App will ask you how much you want to add to your balance. You can enter any amount you want, whether it's $1 or a larger amount. After entering the amount, tap Add Cash. Cash App may ask you to confirm the transaction using Face ID, your passcode, or another security method. This is just an extra step to make sure you're the one requesting the transfer. After confirmation, the money will be transferred from your linked bank account or debit card into your Cash App balance. From there, you can use it for payments, sending money to friends, using your Cash App card, buying Bitcoin, investing in stocks, or any other Cash App feature. This process is quick and easy as long as you have a linked payment method. And that's how you can add money to your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.